this special person in my life, Odigas. Happy birthday, Vax Mars, and hope more years to celebrate, more happiness in life, and of course good health lagi. And I will take this opportunity as well to thank you for being such a good friend, not only a good friend, as a good person, as in general. Thank you for trusting me as your one of a close friend. Although sa YT lang tayo nagkakilala, but we treasure the friendship we built since 2020 until now. And thank you for sharing secrets, ups and downs in life, and thank you for considering me or including me as your shoulder to cry on, to lean on sa ups and downs ng mga buhay natin, sharing its vision and mission and views in life. Dami na sinasabi, bakla. Basta, I'm so happy that your heart is happy as well right now. And just always wear a smile every day. And of course, lagi natin ilagay si God sa gitna ng ating buhay. Kasi nobody in this world na makikinig or pakinggan or handa tayong damayan sa trials ng buhay natin, happiness man yun or sadness, kundi si God lang. So, laban lang tayo. Minsan, dugyot-dugyot din pag may time. Sayang ang euro. Ayan. Basta, gusto ko lang maging happy ka, Vax. And, normal lang yung mga sadness, mga trials. Kasi, hindi siya magiging normal life pag wala yun. Kaano talaga yan, kaakibat talaga yan sa buhay. Yung may positive and negative. So, we will embrace it and willing to accept everything, diba? So, yun lang naman ang importante. And hoping and praying one day mag-banding tayo sa personal. Tayo nila Baklang Moffat, Baklang Cathy, Sir Jason, Mayora, ang Team Puyuts, Derek Amboy, Boss Pat, and Jen, and Sis Stella, and Nanay Sinora, and yun, Baklang Cathy, of course, and of course, si Sakura. And thank you always, Bakla, for listening. Sa lahat-lahat. And sobrang thank you. And I love you. Happy birthday once again. Ingat ikaw lagi dyan. And I'm always one call away for you. I love you, Bakla, Mars.